Welcome to a brand new Rentals in SF listing in the Lake District. You walk in and here is a full bath with tub. There's a nice hallway. To the right is a large coat closet with built-ins. To the left is a brand newly renovated kitchen with stainless appliances, gas stove, cement counters, built-in spice shelving. Oops. Here is a built-in cabinet. And you walk through and here is a beautiful living room with bay windows, freshly painted, nice redone ebony floors. And you walk through to a large bedroom. There is a huge walk-in closet here. And back to the living room. If you're interested in this unit, please go to rentalsinsf.com. Thanks so much for looking.